Hello and welcome. This is Kashvi Makadia bringing you to the news analysis from Pune Institute of Business Management. In our weekly roundup, we talk about inflation. The jump in retail inflation in August to 7% has triggered apprehension that RBI may unveil a sharper than expected interest rate increase to tame price pressure. Experts and financial markets are now bracing for an increase in the key policy rate by 35 to 50 basis points when the RBI's monetary policy panel meets to review interest rate in September. In fact, Federal Reserve officials in the US are under fresh pressure to extend rather than slow down their aggressive interest rate increase after US inflation data came hotter than forecast for August. The US inflation remains stubbornly high, affecting the world's market too. The Indian Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is keen to know from industry why it was not investing, especially when foreign companies have shown interest in coming to India. The Finance Minister said, "I keep defending the private sector. We will do everything to get industry to come and invest here. I want to hear from India. What's stopping you when countries and industry abroad think this is the place to be?" This statement comes in the face of the recent rate increase and slowdown in developed countries, which is seen to be a dampener, prompting companies to postpone some of their planned expansion. The rupee closed at a 5-week high of 79.15 against the US dollars, up 38 paisa from previous close of 79.53 in the interbank foreign exchange market on September 13. The dollar is expected to fire up in few days with prospect of another sharp rate hike by Fed later this month. The SEBI chairman has said that companies are free to price their IPO, but if there is substantial difference between the price before and at the time of the IPO, merchant banker will have to explain the same. The chief said disclosure would be beneficial to both parties in case there is a problem in companies following which investors allege that they were misled into investing in its share, then there could be a problem in the transaction. Full disclosure protects both the disclosure and the disclosed. And lastly, data released by the National Statistical Office showed inflation accelerating to 7% mark, led by sharp price rise in the select food item such as cereal. Even more, inflation remained elevated. Thank you.